Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Got some new stuff in today. I'm going to be comparing and installing this AJT injection fob for the 2016 and up Tacoma. So in the package you're going to get the key fob, little tool pack, a sticker, and a little card. Nah, we don't need to do that. So first look, they're about the same size, I would say. About the same thickness too. But yeah, let's get to putting this on. So in the little packet, you're going to get, let's see, an Allen wrench, a spring, and some screws. I believe that's it. I know if you lose this stuff, you can go order more, but just try not to lose any of this stuff. Here's a spring. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your key fob, pop out the key. There's a little slit right here you can push your key into just to pop it open. Try and pry it open a little bit softly here so stuff doesn't go flying. And you got all your internals in there. So you're gonna want to save this right here, as well as this right here. This all gets reused, all the keycaps. And then just put all this stuff to the side. So the easiest way I found to install this is to throw this part in first. Then you're gonna go ahead and follow it up with this. Just make sure you line up all of those buttons so you don't get any random phantom presses on your key fob. And then just install your buttons how you normally would, and then squish them. Oh wait, my bad. Put this button in with the spring. There's a little indent in here it should go into. It just pop itself in and it should hold itself. And then you throw it together, squish it together. Try not mess it up like that. And then it should all just come together like so. And then you're just gonna go ahead and throw your screws in. Just hand tighten them. Then from there, you're just gonna take your Allen wrench that they give you and screw it in. You don't have to go too tough on it. It's all plastic, so you don't want to strip it. And there's your new key fob. Your old valet key should just go right in. And I did hear it does get kind of sticky, so you do have to open it and close it a few times for it to fix itself. Just so it loosens itself up. And you should be good to go from there. There it is. Again, this is the AJT design key fob for the 2016 and up Tacoma. This is going to be the one for the key fob, or the push to start. Yeah, hope you guys like the video. Make sure to stick around, subscribe to see more. We're going to hit a lot more trails coming up, have a lot more stuff planned for the rest of the year. See you guys in the next one. Peace.